नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल कुसुम से सपोर्ट टीचिंग। तो आज हम EVS पार्ट 1 क्लास 5 महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड की 18 चैप्टर का द इन्वायरमेंट एंड अर्थ चैप्टर का क्वेश्चन आंसर लेके आए हैं। तो सारे वर्क बुक की सॉल्यूशन हमने दे दिए हैं, आप हमारे प्लेलिस्ट में जाके देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए हम फटाफट से शुरू करते हैं कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फिल इन द ब्लैंक। तो मर्सी आर लो लाइंग areas are filled, the reclaim the land to the environment, provide shelter to different kinds of living things. A third, a flamingos from the Siberia region migrate to the Mayani Lake. 4 है the Nanaj sanctuary has been made especially for the great Indian bustard. 5 number है in Madhya Pradesh देवरियाज are called ब्रिज। आ जाते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पे, जो है मैच करने को। मैच द कॉलम। तो मैच द कॉलम हमने क्या करना है कि मालदोक सेंचुरी होगा ग्रेट इंडियन बस्टर्ड। मयानी लेक फ्लेमिंगोज। और राधा नागरिक सेंचुरी का होगा बिसन। और मोरांची चिंचोली का होगा डियर और पिकॉक्स। अब आ जाते हैं ट्रू फॉल्स पे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 देख लेते हैं ट्रू फॉल्स। तो डीड प्लांट एंड एनिमल आर एबियोटिक कंपोनेंट फॉल। इट इज नेसेसरी टू कंजर्व बायोडाइवर्सिटी। ट्रू। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है, classify the following as natural or man-made. Soil, horse, stone, water, hyacinth, book, sunlight, dolphin, pen, chair, water, cotton wool, table, trees, brick. आंसर होगा नेचुरल, हॉर्स, वाटर, hyacinth, सनलाइट, डॉल्फिन, वाटर, ट्रीज, कॉटन वूल। मैन मेड है सोल, स्टोन, बुक, पेन, चेयर, टेबल, ब्रिक। क्वेश्चन नंबर नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन। व्हाट इज मीन्ट बाय इमिग्रेशन। आंसर मूवमेंट फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अदर फॉर ए शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम और परमानेंटली इज कॉल्ड मिग्रेशन। 2, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, डिस्क्राइब द लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ बर्ड्स। द बर्ड्स लेज एग, द एग्स आर hatched and after a few days the small birds come out. They grow up in the nest after 3-4 weeks. They become an adult bird and start laying eggs. Question number 3, give two causes of air pollution. Give 2 causes of air pollution. The 2 causes of air pollution are as follows. Fuels are burnt in vehicles, give out certain poisonous gas, and smoke industries let out some poison gases into the air. Question number 4, for what purpose do we use land obtained by clearing forest? We use land for agriculture, housing, industry, and for building roads and railway by clearing forest. Question number next 5, तो what happen if forests are reduced? If forests are reduced, biodiversity is also depleted. Question number 6 है, what are biodiversity park? तो in area which is reserved for the purpose of protecting and conserving the biodiversity. Question number 7 है, what are the national park? तो आंसर है सम एरियाज रिजर्व फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन एंड द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ पार्टिकुलर एनिमल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, व्हाट आर सेंचुरीज। तो सर्टेन फॉरेस्ट एरिया आर रिजर्व फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन एंड कंजर्वेशन ऑफ पार्टिकुलर एनिमल एंड प्लांट, इट इज कॉल्ड ए सेंचुरी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है, गिव रीजन। इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट टू कंजर्व द लिविंग कंपोनेंट ऑफ द इन्वायरमेंट। Answer: it is important to conserve the living component of the environment because due to human invention in nature, the non-living component is getting polluted. Question number next 2. The numbers of wild animals are falling day by day. The numbers of wild animals are falling day by day. Forest provides shelter and food to the wild animal. Because of hunting, the population of the wild animal is falling. Question number 7. Can you tell? With the help of the question below, explain what would happen if forests are cleared on a large scale. Will water and food source for living things grow or divide? If forests are cleared, the amount of the rain will become less and the amount of food required will divide. Will the living things look for shelters elsewhere or stay on one? The living things will look for shelters elsewhere if forest is cleared because forest is their home. Will the space occupied by the plant and animal increase or decrease? The space occupied by the plant and animal will decrease because forest that is clear will be used for the other purpose. Question number D. Will the number of living things increase or decrease? Why? The number of living things will decrease because forest provides food, shelter and water. Question number 2. What could be reason of air pollution? The reason of air pollution are increasing use of vehicles and growth of industries. And question number 3 what are the different purpose for which fuels such as petrol, diesel, kerosene, natural gas, coal and wood are used? The answer is petrol and diesel are used in vehicle, kerosene is used in stone, natural gas is used for cooking, coal and wood are used for burning. Question number next. You see a food chain in a picture below. One of the links is missing. What effect will it have on the grasshopper, on the birds? What picture should there be in the blank space? If these living things really died out, what would be the threat to the entire living world? Grasshopper, question mark, grasshopper, birds. So grass is missing. There will be grass. So grass is missing. The answer is the grass is missing. If the grass is missing. If grass is not there, then the number of grasshopper will less or even become extinct. Birds will not get enough food and become less or may even extinct. Question number 8. What's the solution? River and lakes are filled with water hyacinth. So answer a water hyacinth are formed in the rivers and lakes due to pollution. That is mainly due to mixture of detergents in the water. And next question is 9 numbers. Use your brain powers. 1. What would happen if no kites, birds are left in a particular region? Which living things would increase in number? Which would decrease? Answer: if no kites are left in a particular region, the number of birds, amphibians, small mammals and earthworms would increase. Question number 2. If a dam is built at a particular place, what change will be seen in the environment? Textbook, page number 39. Answer: when a large dam is constructed, we get ample water in some parts. There will be a growth of vegetations, but the natural environment which was there previously will be completely lost. So now chapter is finished. एंड हम फिर मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तब तक टेक केयर, बाय बाय। अभी हम आपसे लेते हैं विदा।